Welcome back to channel, guys. Wagwan Tours. We're here at Icmeler. So this little Love Boat restaurant here.
Really nice.
Really beautiful. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, hello, right?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Very famous restaurant in Icmeler, 20 years same restaurant.
Oh, okay.
Ah,
We have fish, Turkish meal, sizzling, noodles,
lovely, everything.
Pastas.
fajitas,
Vegetarian.
vegetarians,
Let's
Yeah.
get you guys close up.
desserts.
And
Inside have icon.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
really pretty, really nice.
Yes.
really, really pretty.
On Icmeler only this is Love Boat restaurant. Oh, just one.
Just one?
Ah,
Okay.
Okay.
Take a
And
card.
fresh fish every day.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Only
Okay, guys.
here. Thank you.
Oh, that's nice. It's
Yeah, so make sure you come down to the Love Boat,
Where are you
guys.
staying?
We're just staying just
Just
here.
around the corner.
Yeah.
We are
Yeah.
neighbors.
Good. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Welcome anytime.
Thank you.
Thank
you.
you.
Have a good afternoon. Yeah, so come down to the Love Boat if you want fresh fish. Really beautiful restaurant.
Yeah, it's really nice dish on there, salmon, caviar.
Yeah.
Really nice.
What we got here, the chef's restaurant. Very nice again.
Very good, no scans.
Hello, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Good.
How are we?
Very good,
Very
yeah.
good,
Thank you.
I think you need to see some picture of the meals.
Yes, go on, let's have a look.
Let's do it.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
As lamb chops. There's Turkish delight steak.
Oh, very good.
There's mushroom steak. Chicken curry. Surf and turf steak.
Yeah.
Nice.
Gorgonzola. Lobster.
Style,
Leg of lamb. Sunday dinner. There's
yeah.
fajita.
Yeah.
Aubergine platter. Mixed seafood plate.
Okay.
That's kebabi. Special Turkish meal, please.
Yeah.
Right.
There's frutti di mare. There's penna corsica. There's another Turkish meal called çökertme. Lamb shank served with gravy, mashed potato and veg. There's Ottoman special, another Turkish meal. You can have chicken one, beef one, or mix one. Cooking with tomatoes, mushroom gravy, red pepper in the oven, pork cheese on the top.
Oh, nice.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
that's
Absolutely
really
dying
nice.
for it.
Yeah.
And there's T-bone. There's king size fillet steak, 600
Oh,
grams,
yeah.
please. And there's tomahawk size served with veg, chips, fried mushroom and onion, please.
Very
And before
good.
your all meal, you get garlic bread and 3 kind of Turkish dips.
Perfect.
And that's my special offer.
Lovely.
Oh, it's
We do
really good
excellent
pricing.
food in here, especially steak is absolutely dying for it.
Perfect.
Where are you from?
We're from Swindon. Swindon.
Swindon.
Yeah.
I'll pass you one of my card. You have time
Thank
for a
you.
drink?
No, we have to keep
No.
recording,
For
but.
the night corner.
Oh, okay.
Astoria.
Is that yours as well, is it?
No, to Astoria Hotel,
Oh.
you're staying.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Next door, you're my neighbor.
Oh, okay, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
Come back to me for a lovely meal later on.
We will. Thank you very much,
Excellent.
yeah?
Very
What's your name?
Sabrina.
And
Kirk.
Car.
Kirk, that's it.
Chico, nice to meet you.
Chico, lovely to meet you, yeah?
Lovely day.
Have a good
Sorry
day.
if I bothered you.
Oh, no, you
bye.
didn't. Thank you so much. So that is the chef.
On the, what's this, Diva Hotel?
Yeah.
Very nice. Got the pool table as well next door.
Really good.
Yeah. Free pool as well, and it's a big one, so we'll definitely come back. And 120, sorry, 120. What's that? Free. £2, £2.40, something like that. £2.30. You know, I already said that. Yeah. Happy hour, buy one get one free as well. Yeah. Well, Sabrina will take you in to see the pool. Will it? Very nice.
So these are all on our doorstep. We're literally just staying around the corner.
No. Can't take the old people nowhere. Show you the prices again, so you can see.
They're not bad at all.
Yeah. I mean, when we see 300, we see like think it's £3, but obviously that's £6. So £6 a meal is not bad. We've paid £16, £18 at home, don't we, for some meals? You go and get a burger sometimes, and they're trying to charge you quite a lot of money. But yeah, this is what's this called? Hawley shopping centre.
Yeah.
Okay, let's come get your bikinis in here.
Few cover-ups as well.
Yeah. Jewellery.
She'll collect pics me up loads of stuff in there.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
All the Turkish delights,
stuff,
isn't it? Beautiful Turkish delights.
Oh, looks very good.
Yeah. Okay, you got some quite cool t-shirts as well. Off-white.
Oh, that's like your one, but Simpsons one.
Oh, I don't. What one you got me from New York?
Yeah.
Show you some rings. Prices 1,000. What did it say? 1,000. They got two prices on them. I don't really understand what's two about.
These ones are really nice. That black one.
Yeah, I do want a new big one like this. I want one like that one there actually, that black diamond sparkling one.
Really nice,
I do want one like that, but I don't want anything on the sides, and it's got two stripes on the side, so it's not really what I'm looking for, but it's very close. Yeah, this one has got like a chain on it, and this one, quite cool. All the bracelets. Yeah, right, so this is the big square. Icmeler. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like, share. Send the video off to your friends who love Icmeler. Hello. Hello. Which way did you go on your one? This way or that way?
I can't remember. It was
No.
just emergency too.
Right, well, let's go left. Yeah, our hotel's just there. So let's quickly take you down there and then we'll finish the video. So we've got Cheers over the road. People all going home. Bye. Sound Russian or Ukrainian. One of the two. So yeah, Cheers, dance bar. And you've got the old clothing shops.
I think I did go down.
You did, yeah? Then you got a British pub. Let's go to British pub, shall we, Sabrina? Let's go British pub, come on. Let's finish it in the British pub. This is why we come to Turkey. So we want to go to the British pub. Want a fresh British run? Let's go and have a little look. Gonna get run over by the bike. So yeah, let's go outside and have a quick beer.
Right.
99 for a beer. Right guys, well, thanks for watching.
You're on now.
Yeah, you're on.
Hello, we love you from Turkey. Welcome to our place, mate.
Thank you, thank you. We just have two beers.
You're welcome, you can sit wherever you like.
Thank you. And do you want a bottle? Can I have a bottle of water? And a bottle of water. Thank you. Is that good? Yeah, go on. Yeah, guys. Right. So, thanks for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.